Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a very exciting video. I'm gonna be on television. So I'm used to being on YouTube in this little box here, but this Fuscia is gonna be on TV and on Foxtel and at the movies, and oh my god, I'm crying. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be, well, I am in the ad for the new Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I'm very emotional right now, I'm on my period, but this is just very overwhelming for me, and to be finally filming the video letting you guys know that I'm gonna be on the TV. It was really funny, back when I was in Hawaii, one of my friends who's huge in the social media world, she runs a very prominent Instagram account and gets all the newest product like before it's even released. And she brought it up out of nowhere being like, have you tried the new Covergirl matte foundation? It is the best. And I could have died because I hadn't told anyone that I was going to be part of this TV commercial or that I was going to be part of this campaign. And it was just crazy to hear someone say that, like, without me even bringing up the product. So anyway, that's when I knew, like, oh my gosh, it's not just me that loves this foundation. This is a very good foundation. So yeah, I'm in a TVC. I get to go and take my friends to the cinema next Thursday, and we're gonna see the first time that it's played in the movie, so I'm gonna be able to live that on my Instagram. So if you go follow me on my Instagram, you'll definitely be the first to see it. But I'm so excited, guys. This foundation is truly amazing. It's a matte foundation, but it's not like a flat foundation. It's blurred skin, controlling my oils, 12-hour wear, really flawless natural finish, but still I can build from medium to full coverage without the cake and without the crustiness, without the dryness, and that actually keeps you shine free. So I'm shine free, but I still have glow, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I wanted to do this makeup look that really brings together everything that I love about this foundation. And can you believe I did not even powder my face? You know this is my element. I hate having to powder my face because I don't like too many layers. So for me, if I can just wear a foundation and that's it. So I'm really excited about it, and we're just gonna get into the video and do this look. And I would love to do a giveaway. I'm going to give away what am I gonna give away? I have not thought about this, but oh, I know. Yes. Okay, so Coty gave me this spare lipstick. Oh, I don't think I mentioned this, but obviously this video is sponsored. It's sponsored by Covergirl, and I use all Coty products in this video. And Coty gave me some Burberry lipsticks to use in this video, and I already had this one, so I have a spare one. This is in Candy Pink. So I would love to give this away. If you please leave a comment in the comment section, I'll pick someone that posts a comment within the first 12 hours. So leave me a little comment and make sure you're a member of the notification squad. And yeah, okay, that's it. I'm gonna go into the video, and thank you for supporting me. I love you all so much. I'm not gonna cry, I've got an event now, so let's go to the video. Okay, I am going to prime first. This is the Skin Smoothing Primer. With that, I'll start at the center of the face. Oh my god, look how coordinated I am. The foundation shade that I like to use is M30. So this is the texture of the foundation. It's really nice and light. It's kind of like a fluffy liquid formula. And I'm just gonna bounce that in with my beauty blender. The thing is, I've known that I was going to be part of this campaign for quite a while now, but I couldn't tell anyone. And when I was in the United States, I was talking to my friend, and somehow our conversation got talking about foundations, and she said, oh, do you have the new Covergirl foundation? And I was like, which one is that? Because sometimes America gets it so much earlier than us. I thought that maybe she'd be talking about something even newer than this one. And she was like, the Covergirl True Blend Matte Made. It is the best foundation ever. And I was like, in my head, like, oh my gosh. So this foundation is good for me because I do like having matte skin. I do have oily skin, or at least in very oily T-zone, and then sometimes I get, it's like kind of normal everywhere else, I guess. But this is like a very nice soft matte finish. It's not like flat and crunchy or anything like that. It's very wearable, matte, and it still gives my skin that kind of lit from within, naturally glowing look. So it's like a medium, I would say medium to full coverage foundation, depending on how many layers you put on. Lasts for 12 hours, like I said. So yeah, let me get up nice and close so you can see. How good does that look? But when I touch my face, guys, hold on, I've got the damn beauty blender on my hand. When I touch my face, I can feel that the foundation has like set, but it doesn't feel crusty or anything like that. And you can see that it doesn't look heavy, right? When I touch my face, or if I even like rub my face, it doesn't come off. Focus. Can you see that? Hands look weird up close. Sorry you had to see that. One other thing that I noticed, let's just get a little bit more. If you want to layer it up to get a more full coverage look, you can easily layer it, even though it feels like it's set. This is something I hate that foundations do. Like if I try to layer it, it will start to patch and the layers will start to take each other off. That does not happen with this one. I can layer it up so seamlessly, even after it feels like it's set. So as I mentioned, M30 is the color that I wear. It's so good. This is the Rimmel Brow Definer. I'm gonna dab the sponge through the head of the brow. Oh, almost gave myself a headache. I was pushing too hard. Did it? Did it? Okay. I just love my skin in this foundation. I think we're done here. Jokes. So I'm gonna do a soft matte brown over the eye area. I'm gonna take this nice brown. This palette, by the way, is the Covergirl TruNaked Chocoholic palette. It doesn't have a little mirror in it, which is the only thing that I wish it had. But I have a mirror in front of me anyway. I'm just letting the brush do its thing in the crease, and then I'll take a blending brush and work on the edges, even though it's pretty well blended out already. Take some more on the brush and go under the eye, and with that I'm allowing the brush to take it nice and low under there. There's this nice creamy matte shade. I'm gonna take that one and put it on my brow bone here. Now they have a darker shade. I'm gonna take that on the tip of a blending brush. I'm just gonna work that into the outer area of the eye. Light hand it first, and then you can load up. This is a Rimmel black eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna carefully line the top of my eye. Just like from the outer part there though, not the inner part. When in doubt, smudge it out. Then with the dark brown, I'm gonna smoke that out a little bit further by just layering that over the top with a little angle brush. The angle brush is kind of helping me maintain the angle of the liner that I put on, because I can make sure it's going on in a line, and then I kind of swipe up gently to keep it at that upward angle there. Also, there's zero fallout with this palette. Almost done with the eyes. I'm just gonna do mascara, so curling my lashes. To finish off the eye look, I'm gonna use mascara. This is the Bourjois Volume Reveal. This one's good because it has a little mirror. I've never seen a mirror on a mascara package before, but whenever I use this mascara, I use the mirror, so it's really handy. The mascara has a really nice thick brush. You know how I'm all about thick things and brushes? Well, bottom ones as well. I'm gonna conceal now with the Covergirl It's Lit pen. I feel like I have to make this really neat even though I'm gonna blend it out. I just have to make sure all these little lines line up. Blending it out with the same sponge. This is where if the eyeshadow's gone too low for you, just use the sponge to bring it up again. I'm gonna take a light dusting of this Rimmel Good to Glow bronzer. Really don't want too much. And I feel like this is probably too rich for me right now. So I'm just tapping it on, which I've never done before and it feels weird. But it's working, I'm not getting too much on. I know, you guys, that I have been guilty of putting too much bronzer on. I think we all are. And do you know what I think it is? It's these lights. They make everything, and like in the viewfinder when I'm looking at myself, it's quite small and I have bad eyesight. So I wear contacts. So when I see myself in the viewfinder, I think that I look really good until you guys see it in 1080p close up on your computer. And when I'm editing it and I'm like, oh. So we're gonna try the tapping technique. Tap, tap, tap. I'm Gonna take this really cute little blush from Bourjois. It's called Lilas d'Or or Golden Lilac. It's so beautiful. I love baked blushes with a bit of pink in them. Wait, gold, not pink. This one has gold in it. So my cheeks look really glowy. It's gonna sound so weird, but the scent of this is a very like makeup powdery smell. And my grandmother gave me some of her vintage cosmetics, and although the vintage cosmetics smell off, like you can tell that they smelt like this when they were good. So it reminds me of ye old makeup days. Wait, I also want some highlighter, right? I've got this one. This highlighter is from Burberry and it's so pretty. Take a look at that. Look but don't touch, it's mine. So I'm gonna take some of that, and I've got this kind of firmer brush. This one's called 04 Rose Gold Fresh Glow Highlighter. Whoa, I like a firm brush because it like polishes it in to the skin. I feel like it just looks better. And then I'll take the residual from the brush and put it in here. And then I've got this bronzer from Covergirl. I'm gonna contour my noggin. Can I just say, I feel like these are the best eyebrows I've ever done. Like when it comes to thicker eyebrows, wow, I'm obsessed with them. But for some reason I'm still meddling with them. I'm gonna stop now so I don't ruin them, because I love them, oh my goodness. And I feel like they're super even as well. Should I wear my hair up? Look at that highlight. Oh, we haven't finished because I've got this beautiful lipstick in the shade Fuchsia Pink. Look at that. It's from Burberry and I think it's gonna elevate this look. I love this as well. It's a magnet. It's so satisfying. Would you look at that? I don't even need to powder because my forehead is still nice and matte. Look at that. I'm Subaru Impreza with this. I'm definitely, you know, so in love with this foundation. Normally at this point, you know, like I might have to powder my forehead, and it's amazing how many times a matte foundation will still require me to powder my forehead. But what I love about this is that it's definitely matte, but it's not an ugly flat matte. Like my skin still looks like skin. In my opinion, I look bomb.com right now. Did you notice that I actually didn't even conceal any blemishes? And I had some. I don't know if you can see, like maybe if I go from an angle. I've got little breakouts here because I'm on my period right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got like 8 little pimples that I would normally conceal, but I think I did such a good job that I'm gonna leave it at that. One last thing before we finish, I'm gonna put some of that highlight on my inner corner. So here we are, finished look. My hair is being annoying as always, but at least my face looks flawless. Love it. As you saw from the introduction, I'm absolutely loving my face sick right now in this makeup look. This is my kind of jam where it's just like very basic. My skin looks like skin. I'm glowing from within. My eyes are not too crazy with heaps of makeup because I am going to a Vogue event right now actually. So I wanted to look fashionable. And I feel like this is a really fashionable look, like with a basic, very soft, diffused eye with like a bright lip. I feel like that's quite Vogue, right? And so my face is high fashion, but no doubt I'll be wearing a basic bitch outfit. That is how I am. I'm not very fashionable. I'm good at makeup, I will accept that, but I don't find myself very fashionable. So I'm definitely intimidated when it comes to fashion events. Anyways, yeah, I'm super excited about this. I love my makeup. I absolutely love and adore the foundation. I hope you guys love and adore it too. So don't forget to go check it out in stores. It's available now and I'm in the color M30 if you want any reference. So that's it from me, guys. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and also Covergirl Australia on Instagram, because then you'll be able to see some sneak peeks from my television commercial, and I'll also be uploading my television commercial on my Insta stories. I'm really pumped, and you'll see much more of me, obviously, while you're watching Batchy. It's all because of you guys. So, thank you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.